Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched our previous video, I would highly recommend you to watch that first. Today we are going to discuss genotype and phenotype. Okay, so let's begin. The term genotype is used in genetics that refers to the genetic composition of an individual consisting of heritable genes. The term genotype also refers to two alleles that are inherited for a particular gene. Genotypes are represented with alphabetical letters like B capital, B small, where B capital stands for dominant allele and B small stands for recessive allele. The physical characters of an individual, also called phenotypes, are result of expression of these genes. Genotype in organisms are affected by various factors like a mutation that change the frequency of base pair or the structure of DNA sequences. The process of determining genotype of an individual is termed genotyping, which can be used for various purposes like a polymerase chain reaction, DNA sequencing and restriction fragment length polymorphism. Examples of genotype include capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital B, and capital B, small b. Okay, now let us define phenotype. Phenotype is a term used in genetics which refers to all of the observable traits in an organism as a result of the interaction of genotype with the environment. The term pheno in phenotype refers to observe, and thus phenotype is used to indicate observable characters in organism like its height and color. The phenotype of an organism covers the organism's morphology, physical form, its development and behavior, its biological and physiological properties, and even the products of organism. Examples of phenotype seen in various organisms include blood group, eye color, pod size, color of leaves, beak of birds, and many others as well. Okay, so that was our video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.